What is going on? Woo! If you can't tell, it's a little cloudy and stuff like that, right? That is because it did just rain. And so I had something originally planned for today, something else. But since it's a little wet outside, you know, I wanted to dry up. For about one more day, I wanted to dry up a little bit, and we gonna hold off on that. But I still gotta get out, you feel me? It's drying up actually fairly quicker than I thought it would be, but we are going bowling. Yeah. I'm about to go do a perfect game right now. You feel me? And so I just decided to do something indoors like bowling, and then we gonna hold off on what I was originally gonna do until it dries up a little bit. But welcome to another video, ladies and gentlemen. It feels good today. It feels real good today. It's always a nice it's always a nice day to ride. You know, I was just telling somebody the other day that, you know, people are putting their bikes up for the fall or for the winter even, you know, and I was just like, man, I can't do that, man. I just can't do that. I can't imagine putting my baby up for months on end. You know, I just love it too much right now, you know? And I wonder what's the ratio. I'm thinking it's like, thinking about 70% of people put their bikes up for the, you know, the winter and the fall. Or more so, see, I understand the winter. Like, if there's an area where you just undoubtedly are going to get a bunch of snow and ice, because now that I think about it, that may be the case for some of y'all, you know? It's just like, you just can't ride. I mean, even if you didn't want to, you couldn't, because the weather is that bad, you know? And I wasn't thinking about it from that perspective, because down here, you know, it's going to get cold, but, you know, and it might be get some ice on the road, but we don't really have to worry about snow in particular. But yeah, man, I'm definitely looking out for climates that would better suit my riding lifestyle. I'm definitely looking for different states that offer a more steady climate, you know, a warmer climate, and a consistent climate. Woo! Oh! So I'm thinking Texas maybe. I'm thinking Florida maybe. You know? But the thing with Florida is the weather, like, oh man, hurricanes and stuff like that. That's my number one concern, because they stay getting hurricanes and stuff down there. Well, Florida maybe, Texas maybe. Those are my two main ones. Music to my ears. My downshifts are going so much smoother. Man, that's like, it's just like such a satisfying feeling. Them downshifts getting smooth. You don't want to hear that one. You don't want to hear that one. Means you know, you shifting a little, you going too down with it. Engine about to explode. You know, the main difference is like, you don't have to hold in the clutch. Like with the clutch, when you shift, like, you only have to hold the clutch in for like a hair of a second, bro. With the car, it's slightly longer. That's like one of the biggest things with the shifting that I've noticed. Like, you don't have to hold in this clutch, but you don't have to hold it in for long at all. Now, granted, like a car, you don't have to hold it in long too, but as you release, you have to give it just a little bit more time to match your engine speed and stuff like that with the gas and stuff like that as you release. And you gotta hold it at the end and stuff like that to make everything smooth and stuff like that. With these bikes, with these racing sport bikes, it's a lot more aggressive, which kind of makes sense, the shifting on these bikes. I don't know how it is with other bikes yet, but I can see it's really aggressive, a lot more aggressive when it comes to the sport bike. Yeah. Yeah, let me show y'all what it's about, you feel me? All right, this a test. This is a test. Man, that's fine. Do I want to roll it? Or do I want to put some spin on it? It's coming. It's coming. I want to spin it, bro. I want to spin it, bro. I like spinning that thing. That. Give me that, baby. Give me that, baby. Whew. Ah, come on, man. What is that? It's like the same thing every single time. Every time. Let me at least get 100, man. Let me at least get 100, bro. Let me at least get 100. Ay, 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 bro. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, man, that was actually pretty tiresome, bro. Oh, my goodness. Woo. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man.